There is a trend here. In the world's most populous country, population growth is slipping. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, in a census report that just came out a few hours ago, it says in the last decade, the average population growth rate was about 0.53%. That is 0.4% lower than the previous decade. This is huge. It has major implications for China and its policymaking, for healthcare, for social welfare, for technology, and especially for its economy. Because as you see the slowdown in population growth, that also means a slowdown in the growth of its workforce. So it's going to be much harder for China to compete with and to catch up with the United States in terms of economic growth. Now, experts say the reason behind this is because of rising living costs and the fact that urban couples value their independence and lifestyle more than starting a family. But I want you to listen to this, an official take from the head of the Statistics Bureau in China, Ning Jizhe.
The number of women of childbearing age, especially the most fertile women, was declining, and there's a postponement of childbearing and also rising cost of child raising. All of these are the reasons behind the decline in newborns. That is a natural result of China's economic and social development.
Earlier, I spoke with Yong Cai, who's a professor of sociology at the University of North Carolina. He says that this is the slowest population growth that China has experienced since 1962. This is 5 decades ago. And he said that this is something that China has factored in. This is why over the years it's been moving away from manual labor, more towards a high-tech economy. Listen to this.
The Chinese government is clearly aware of that, and society is, aware of that, and the adjustment, the structural adjustment is ongoing. The truth is, the cheap labor, basically, people working nonstop, leaving their family behind, being migrant labor, those kind of days are getting behind us.
Nevertheless, there is a lot of pressure on Beijing to roll out measures to mitigate this phenomenon. Some experts saying it may have to relax its birth control policies altogether. Robin.